Hi, let's see the objectives of accounting. Main object. There are several objectives why a systematic accounting on standard formats is necessary. The main object is that every organization needs to know the outcome of their business activities at a certain period of time to judge that whether all available resources applied in right direction or not. They also want to know, is the company making or losing money from business? Whether the profits are as per budgeted or not. Secondly, the company would like to know its worth, as all the companies put their efforts in business for growth. The company also would like to know how much the company is owed. At the same time, an owner will come to know how much his entity owes. The reports clearly show the picture that should the company inject more money to enhance their business if potentials are indicated, or should the company sell it, or to go into another business if the current one is not doing well. The financial reports such as profit and loss accounts and balance sheets serve the objectives, and those reports are made on standard formats based on fair recording, classifying, summarizing, and evaluating all the transactions during the period. Thank you.